He's got DQ.
That's true. He did.
I've won.
Look at that's why he didn't win.
That's KAYDEN's.
This thing's pretty clean though. Look at that. Boom.
Alright guys, real quick before this video does start, if you didn't know, I want to make a quick announcement. I'm actually giving away this brand new 2021 CRF 110. I'm giving it away to one of you guys, so if you guys want to win it, every $10 you spend on my website equals 1 entry. So if you buy a hoodie for 50 bucks, that's 5 entries. It's pretty straightforward to the point. I got stickers, hoodies, I got t-shirts.
This thing's clean, guys. We got a bunch of stuff on it. We got DBK, we got Thrill Seekers, O'Neill's gonna be a part of this, T-Bolt, got a bunch of parts hooked up for you guys. I got a full-size throttle.
Actually, from when I post this video, the first 25 orders, I'm actually gonna throw in free stickers because like why not? So the rest of the video is pretty hectic. I actually had to cut it up into 2 parts because the video is 27 minutes long and there's like a whole nother 15 minutes to be added, and I didn't want to upload a 45-minute video. So yeah, it's pretty hectic. It gets pretty rowdy. So make sure you guys stay, watch the full thing, and yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. Peace.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag, niggas long face, cut the case.
We're gonna start this one off, dude. Just let them know already.
We're gonna beat everybody.
Facts. He said it the first time. The second, no, this will be the third time.
This will be the third
time. If you do this again,
you ain't got a chance. I'm gonna win it correctly.
oh, here we go, dude. What are you gonna say?
That's lame, dude. I'll meet you halfway in the berm too. Is it 10 grand or is it 4 grand?
4.
Oh, Palmer Compound's bringing all 10 grand, so.
Hey, are you doing the mod too?
No, I didn't sign up.
I don't know. I'm gonna go
I'm just
film.
gonna take that team race quick.
You want to say anything to the people?
Yeah.
Let them know.
Hi.
Okay, buddy. What's your name?
Mason.
Are you racing today? Nice, nice. Yeah, good luck, bud.
Thanks.
You guys saw that we had $10,000 on the line for this this race. You can literally win more than if you were to go enter a 250 Supercross race and take the W out there. So, you got an XL LBZ shirt.
Hey!
Del Taco burritos.
Yeah, last round of the Havoc race, they're running a step up. There's $10,000 on the line here at Lake Elsinore. This is 500 of it. You racing? Oh, what class you racing? The same class?
Yeah.
Bro,
These guys,
I got my money on Be Wild.
Oh yeah,
I'm be honest.
These guys gotta watch out.
Their money's gonna be long gone and in my pocket.
Oh, okay. Oh,
I'm it right now.
Say it again,
now.
I'm winning.
I'm cleanup crew. Cleanup crew.
Hey, it's team effort, huh?
This is my snowplow.
Yeah.
You get a little cut.
I'm just coming from under, and you'll see me on number 1.
Oh, leave already, dude.
I'm getting prize.
Hey, you guys see Leaps here? Leaps racing.
Oh, okay.
I'm just playing. Leaps not here.
Hey, they made the corners bigger for the 2 of us.
So I guess this is like a new add-in to the track. Sketchiest section on the track. How you like it? You like it?
Oh, I love every bit about it.
Oh, I got it, dude! Puts his arms up. Hey, if KAYDEN lived in California, he would live in Elsinore.
Yeah, Beverly Hills.
We're gonna win the race. We're gonna win the trick. Good. You gotta fake it till you make it in YouTube. Like, all my clips are gonna be Zay's. This could be your clip right now, dude. Yeah. Specifically your clip. Yeah, I'm faking it till we make it. You're gonna go down in this fucking race. You know that, right? You're gonna lose. You know why? Because your brother's gonna beat you. Just like last time, bud.
He's got DQ.
That's true. You
I've won.
Look at that's why he didn't win. That's exactly why.
You can't do that stuff.
I told you this thing don't go down. This is always up. I can't put it down.
What's that monster energy? Are you Kyle?
He said, "Are you Kyle?"
Are you Kyle?
Sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Jesus, you got monster everywhere. Not on my bike. Well, that thing's a piece of shit anyway. I had fresh graphics coming right here. I had fresh graphics coming in with White Claw on it and shit. What? I'm telling Monster, that's not cool. I got Monster right here, White Claw on the back.
now, dude. Clean them, bros! Right there.
This is going to be a battle to the end. Miles up front. 77.
Dude, that was close. If I didn't loop on the start, it'd been close.
What we got going?
Got me a onesie.
There we go. The best way to do it. I guess. I don't know. What do you guys think?
fast as we thought, but third was good. 77.
See what happened?
Let her out.
Don't count. I don't even have a transponder. I always just got there. Even though I was in third. You see in the first corner, I hit that dude's tire and I was like, oh, I'm going down.
What's he doing second?
His bike's fast. His bike's pretty fast too.
It's modded out.
Legs are gross. Let's see them nuts. Look at that. Oh, she's a bit swollen, huh? Yeah.
Hey! What? No, you're good.
This guy's just on some goat shit, you know?
I like goats.
What are you doing?
I'm videoing.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Hey,
he's getting the clip, dude.
you're
Hey.
so much better than Kayden.
I know.
So much better than Kayden. Look at, he's over there in the air and shit.
Hey, Rudy. I was behind you and you fell in this turn right here. What the hell, man?
Yeah.
LCQ round 2. Hey, and this time, don't visit us during the race, okay? Remember last time Rudy visited us?
Yeah, don't look it up.
You don't need to, yeah.
Focus.
You ain't first, you're last, buddy. Go out there and win that thing. Don't visit us. What is that, a 450? That thing's faster than my 150, 100%. This section right here has been claiming people all day. Karma! Instant karma! 10 pros, LCQ, right? Yeah. Alright, Rudy's doing this one. Let's see if he visits us mid-race this time.
No, we told him to keep it focused.
You can't be doing that, Rudy.
Here he goes.
Are they off?
I'm just horny.
Final thoughts. Anything.
I won.
It was clean.
Hey, honestly, more people thought it was racing, you know?
Cut the track. It was all because of his middle finger coming up. That's the only reason.
Yeah, so what? Here's another one. Unbelievable.
Hey, but he's coming to take redemption today.
I'm gonna do your choker lane today.
Yeah, Leave Down got a fast choker lane, dude. So make sure you hit that mid-race.
Did the same thing.
Lanes are supposed to be slower, not faster.
Just make sure you shift up too.
Bro, that was unreal.
Coming around to the finish line. We got Gordon out front. Are you all good, 99? What is he doing? He's about to die. He endoed all the way over that jump. Rudy almost visited us mid-race again, dude. Bro, I missed it. Did you get it? What? Yeah, dude. Whoa! Hey, I'm in the race. Come on, Rudy! He wants to come say what's up. I would beat him off. Here's why. He was like, blah, blah, blah. And he still, I told him, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Buddy, you about met your maker off that thing, dude.
Dude, my bike's weird right now.
Yeah, we got you a bike. We got you a bike.
Main. We're in the main.
Hey, that's all that matters, baby.
What? It's bog?
It's bogged, so I have to keep it tapped no matter what.
I said speaking to the camera.
Alright.
I need this. I missed the first round. All right, rerun it.
Alright, team meeting. We all top 5'd our heats. That means no LCQ, top 5 gate picks, all of us.
Main event, baby.
We're lining up all inside together, giving each other room, not letting any mother beep in with us, alright?
Family channel. Oh, we got the team race main event, I guess. What is it? $500. Did she just blow up or no? It's your electrical.
Landed just died.
It's your electrical.
That was a bunch of baloney, dude.
Why?
We didn't win.
I'm up, boys. Hey, you were on one, dude. Hey, but we did talk to some chicks.
Start. We bet.
We did talk to some chicks, so like, that's cool.
Best, fourth best, baby. Fourth best.
Would the group plan work or not? It's not. I mean, yeah. Already know. Dude, Kaisi, I got a clip of you, bro. You did not let off on that left-hander.
Oh.
Is this it? This is the main?
No, this is the mod. I'm gonna go get some track time, boy.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate you coming out, man. Thanks for supporting Havoc.
I tried that triple, bro.
What triple?
In the middle, and not good. Rolled my shoulder hard.
Oh, you fell?
No, I landed
like this.
hard.
The step on, step off.
Yeah, but dude, the step on, step off's nice. Cause dude, there's not any top. Like, if you fucking end over that, you're done.
Dude, I still have a headache.
Wait, film this
I'm filming.
and see which one pulls quicker. Not this piece of shit. That's all I was getting at. You're on a Yamaha, bro. I wasn't getting at a piece of shit. I just said, let's see what pulls better.
Everyone listen, top 5 is gonna stop at the end of the race. We're gonna take top 5 over to the Havoc booth and we're gonna do the pull downs there. We're gonna do the pull downs, looking for stroke. Before we went over it in the riders meeting, we post on Instagram so all you guys know. So as long as you guys have to stop at the end if you're in the top 5.
So what happened?
Sorry, bro. Crap, dude. I thought, dude.
What happened? Did you in that?
I landed on someone.
Broke again, I feel it. God damn it. I'm down.
You just ended up landing on someone or what?
Everybody threw their hands up and I like launched it up.
Nothing you can do at all.
Dude, that ain't your fault. That was like completely. Looped it on the start, bro.
Dude, I know.
You larried it.
I can't fucking start a 110. I can't do this false dude.
Bro, I should have.
Are you good? And you two just like come together along?
No, so he rolled it, he checked up, and then I fucking like set that shit and landed on him.
Is your collarbone broken?
I'm pretty sure.
You got tire marks on your skin.
Oh, that's my tattoo.
Oh, I thought it was tire marks.
Make sure you put that in.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna leave it. Thank gosh, a clear track finally today. I was so happy.
Gosh, bro. Is it bad?
Yeah, dude, that's gnarly, bro.
Oh.
That's the tire strip, bro.
Oh. I think that's Kyson's.
That's about it.
Hey, don't make a meme out of that right there.
You still Yeah, but I was like, because remember last time when I lost, I thought they like people were still gonna keep racing, so like I wanted to, but I was like, call it, like I ain't pulling off unless this is called. Yeah. So.
If you guys think anybody cheated and you want to call anybody out, feel free. If you guys are content with the top 5, that is fine with us.
Okay, if I could get money, how much would I get?
500.
What's the protest money? How much?
None. It's just.
It's just protest?
It's just yeah, but
I don't lose anything?
Free. No, but
if you win, you get the money.
Don't be a jerk.
Step up.
Are you
Don't worry
good?
about it. No, give it to him.
What do you mean? I'm not saying I got no. Like,
if I catch you playing
it's just an honest thing, or be dishonest.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm just trying to be real. Okay, so I'm not swearing nothing. First off, don't be a fucking bitch. I'm trying to fucking be level-headed here, okay, about it, and then you're being a punk. So, that is a real somebody ride the bike right now, just to make sure that it's
There it is. It's over there. Don't ride the fuck out of it.
How old are you? 19. Good.
How old are you, buddy?
Alright, what are we doing?
How old are you?
Old enough to whip your motherfucking ass, bitch. Hey, see, that's the type of shit we don't want at the races.
Yeah, exactly.
And we all know
What a fucking dork.
it's too good. It's too good.
So I have that all on video too, bro.
Yeah, staying level-headed, my fucking ass.
Yeah, I don't know why he was like all fired up for.
Yeah.
He's telling him to tear it down and he's getting on that.
For you guys.
Nah, you're good, bro.